Hello, greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's look at another style. Now this time we're going to tie this style that pop up there. That one is a Akara fabric that I use. But now let's see how we can use Seiko fabric, Seiko material to achieve that. Yes, Seiko material, and the Seiko fabric is very soft. Alright, so instead of folding it into two equal half, it will be short and you might not really get all to cover your back very well. So this is exactly what you're going to do. You will not fold it two equal half. You fold it, let's say 40-60. Just look at it. You can see 40-60. Alright, so we are going to knot it. Watch closely now. Then I'm bringing it down. I will knot it from that place. That 40 stop. So I'm going to knot it from here. So what is left now will be enough to cover the back very well. But if you divide it to equal half, it will be very difficult to cover the hair. Alright, so you take your knot, just knot it from the middle there, then arrange that knot. Because of that 40, maybe the edge of it will pop out, so make sure you push them inside very well. Just arrange. Okay, pay close attention to my hand. This head wrap is very simple. Don't say you cannot try it, just try it. It's very simple, very easy, but beautifully elegant. Yes. Alright, so stretching it out this way, you place it on your head. So that single part now, you use that side to cover your head. But you're going to use this side that is double in the front so that it will be able to stand. This is Seiko fabric and the Seiko fabric is already soft. Alright, so rotating it this way, I rotate it, then I'm going to tuck it in, thereby securing the base of the head wrap. Okay, so just rotate it, make sure that first one I did wasn't strong enough, so I have to rotate it again. You see it, just take the two edges, rotate it very tightly so that it will be very firm on your head, because that is what is going to form the base of the head wrap. Alright, so if that side now is not strong, definitely the head wrap will not be strong. So folding it in this way now, we are going to work with the front now. Okay, so pay close attention now. Just stretch this place out, then flip it to the back. Stretch it out very well, flip it to the back. You see that Akara own is very high, but this one now is not going to be very high. Okay, so if you don't want it to be very high, this is what you are going to do. Don't drag that up high. But meanwhile, the Akara, the width of the Akara is very far longer, should I say longer than this. So it won't even give you that height. And that length of Akara, we're able to tuck it in from the back. But this one now wouldn't even get to the back. So what are you going to do? You use your office pin and pin it. Pay close attention now. Yes, when you're tying head wrap, any of the edges that is long for you to tuck in, tuck in. If it's not long enough for you to tuck in, use your office pin and pin it wherever it gets to. Alright, you can see I've pinned that side now, so we are coming to pin this other side now, and our head wrap is getting ready. After pinning that now, the whole head wrap is secured. So what is left is for you to do your adjustments and you are good, cool to go. Alright, so the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Gill Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Do well to please drop your like and your comments on the comment section. Share my video to your lovely ones. Let them also benefit, if actually you're benefiting from this channel, but I know you will surely benefit because you have a lot of beautiful styles, easy styles that you can tie. Very easy, fast, but they are all elegant. You can see this one now, how beautiful it is, how elegant it's standing. All right, so you can see at times your fabric determines the outcome of your head wrap. So this time now you can use your akara, you can use your steko material, you can use your ashoke, you can use lace for it. Oh yes, so you can see, as I said before, please don't forget to subscribe. You that is watching and walk away is not good though. You yes, I'm talking to you that is watching me now. Don't just watch and walk away. Watch and subscribe. Just follow me. Press that follow button in my Facebook and follow me. Then press that subscription button on YouTube and follow me. It requires just little of your data and you have a lot to learn. Look at it now, standing elegantly, beautiful. You can see, you can go to any party with this. Look at what the back look like. All right, so please don't forget to drop your like and your comments, and don't forget to follow me. I love you all, my new and old subscriber. Kudos to you all. See you in my next video. Keep vibing, keep vibing. I love you so much. All right, thanks for watching. I'll be expecting to see you in my next video. Yes, please don't forget that. All right, so keep vibing, keep vibing until I see you. Thanks for watching.